Welcome back, guys. This is Joshua Lead and Iron, and today we have a pretty cool video. I went out and I got this PlayStation BackBone. It's a controller to make your iOS phone into a controller where you can remote play PlayStation 5 games, PlayStation 4 games, or any mobile game that lets you use a controller. I ordered this and it was originally $99 on Amazon, but I happened to have some credit and it was like $84 or $80 or something like that. That's what I paid for it. But you did have the choice of having a white controller or a black controller. I went with a white controller because my PlayStation 5 controller is white, my PlayStation 5 is white, and I figured just to make it different but the same, I went with this. So I got this BackBone off of Amazon for $99. That's what the price was. I did happen to have some Amazon credit, so it was like $24 or $25 off, which ended up being like 80 bucks, shipped to my door. It just came in today, and I want to see how much latency comes with something like this, if there is any. I want to see also what comes in the box, and if I'm able to use like my AirPods Pros or my Beats and stuff like that as a gaming headset using this. Because I know like just some of the things that I saw was you can play mobile games that obviously incorporate a controller, or you can play off of your PlayStation 5 even if you're not in town. So if your PlayStation's at home and then let's say you're on vacation in Florida, you're able to still use your PlayStation 5, access this home screen, and connect it to this would be my iOS device, and play. Remote play. This obviously makes it a little easier because it is a controller. I've been playing controller pretty much my whole life. I'm not a big fan of like the touch screen type controllers, so that's why I haven't really played mobile games so much, but I'm hoping that this kind of changes those things. And I also want to be able to stream, upload to either YouTube, Facebook, or Twitch using this for a little while. I don't know how well that's going to go, but that's what we're going to have to see in future videos, or maybe even in this video, who knows. So anyway, guys, let's see what's in this box. I like to try to keep my boxes intact. I know that sounds weird, but I hold on to them just in case I got to. One, do like a RMA. Two, if we move or something like that, I have the box to put it in so it's safe. I don't know how many of you guys do that. Let me know in the comments below. So it just slides out and it comes in this box. The box feels pretty nice, almost like rubberized. What we're gonna do is flip it open, and this is what comes in it. First glance. This looks like looks like an adapter for like the bigger phones, so it's just more even, and that's good because I do have the 13 Pro Max. So there's that. It says snap in. I'm gonna take this out. We're gonna look at it. It's just instructions showing you how to put your phone in, and it looks like you put your non-connector side first, and then your connector side and slide it in. Okay, I guess that makes it so where you don't necessarily have the chance of breaking that little the lightning port. Let's go here. All right, I won't take you out, but whoa. Comes with some of this glue on here. Wow, that's some sticky residue right there.
That's what she said.
All right. The weird thing is this has a barcode on it. It looks like at one point they were charging, I'm thinking, to have something like this, or at least it was in like a plan or something, because this has, or maybe it's even for inventory purposes, who knows? But normally like barcodes are for stores, and who knows, maybe they do see the little barcode on there. And we're gonna open this up. All right, see what it feels like. Okay, it's soft. I see. So it just has like a little indentation in here. I don't know if you guys can see that. So your phone sits in it. And then here's our controller. It feels well built. Just already, just feeling it. It feels really nice. I know that Sony does not make it, but it feels, I thought that this would be weird having the thumbstick up here and then a thumbstick down here, but it actually feels kind of natural and it makes sense. I'm not too sad about that. That actually feels decent. That they're crisp, they're nice feeling buttons. You can tell that this quality, it has good quality, I guess for $100 for this just little piece of plastic. It should be quality, and it is, and I'm hoping, I don't know what it is about new electronics, but there's something about them that smell good. Let me know if you guys feel the same way. This does not tell you how to put that in. I'm guessing that this channel right here fits across here. That's what I'm guessing. If I'm wrong, I'll know. I don't know if I'm doing this right, guys. Like here, right? Maybe like this. That makes more sense. That makes more sense. Okay, so there's this little indentation right here. And all I did was just match it up with the one that's in here. And I figured that this had to sit flush on this side. So, all right. That made more sense. It looks like it sits pretty flush. I don't see anything weird about that. But I guess this is for the camera bumps. This is why they added this adapter in here. So all we got to do is just put our phone in, stretch this out, and it plugs right in. App not installed, App Store, takes you right to the App Store. Get BackBone. That's all we had to do, huh? This isn't bad. I'm actually really happy with this. You guys saw my ring light. So far, so cool. I'm pretty impressed with this so far. I'm impressed how well it's built. It takes you through like some setup options. Press X to continue, so I'll hit X. Ooh, you can either sign in with Apple ID or with Google. So that's cool. I don't know what I want. Maybe Apple. Continue. Signing in. Verify that you're real. Okay. Let's see. It's going to send me a text message, and I love this option that whoever created that is just the best. Pick your emoji for your profile. How about that? Yeah. Let me see what else I have. You're able to use your animojis on top of it, so that's pretty cool. I'm like kind of impressed here because my Animoji, and I'll show you guys here right now what I'm talking about. So you see right here, it says pick your emoji. Well, that's my Animoji right there. And then hit X to continue, and I will. Pick your BackBone display name. Of course, you know we gotta go with lead and iron because that's just us. That's us. Oh, no capitals. So all is lowercase, and you can't put like the underscores that I use, which is fine. Lead and iron's fine. Welcome to BackBone. Congrats, your BackBone comes with free trial of BackBone Plus and exclusive perks. All your games in one place. So this is what comes with BackBone Plus. All your games in one place, party up and play with friends, capture, edit, and share gameplay. So that fits into streaming, right? Exclusive product deals and monthly in-game items, free games, and access to cloud gaming services like Xbox Game Plus Unlimited. Not bad, let's see how much it is. I'm pretty sure that's coming up. So stay up to date, know when games are added, your friends online, or a highlight goes viral. For notifications, I don't necessarily like notifications. I don't like having like the little numbers next to any of my icons for some reason. I don't know why I don't like it, but I'll allow it. And then if it bugs me, I'm gonna turn it off. I'm gonna hit allow. It says share great moments, record unlimited gameplay at 1080p, 30 frames a second. So for a mobile device, that's actually pretty decent. 1080p, so it's full HD at 30 frames. Now 30 frames isn't the greatest, but it's a mobile device. All right, secure your bragging rights. So this button right here is telling me is for record. So record gameplay, and it's like a DSLR like capture. I don't know if you can see it because it's white. Okay, and then it tells you to press it, so I did. So you gotta hold it to take a screenshot. And it takes about 2 seconds, so continue. So it's gonna send you through like this, so you know how to use it type. Enable photo permission to save gameplay. Okay, that's fine. Then it's gonna want access to your photos. You can have select photos, all access to all photos, or don't allow. Find friends on your BackBone faster. Gaming is more fun with friends. Allow access to your contacts, but we find friends. I don't know about that. Find your friends on BackBone faster, allow. Okay, find games that support controllers on the App Store. They'll have like a controller icon onto that to let you know that it's pretty much supported. Play your Xbox, PlayStation, or PC games anywhere. I didn't know that you could use this for PC games as well. Okay, this just got really interesting. BackBone supports Xbox Remote Play, PS Remote Play, and Steam Link, so you can take your games on the road with you. So I'll be able to play Halo Infinite, I'm guessing? No console, no problem. Play amazing game titles like Halo Infinite? Answered my question. Your Xbox Game Pass, GeForce Now, or Google Stadia. No console or PC required. Alright, just claim 365 days free. 1 year free of the BackBone app and perks included with your purchase. You will not be charged until your free trial runs out, but we need payment info to start. So I'll do that later. Oh no, I can do that right here. Wow, that was fast. You're good to go. All I gotta do is press this button right here, and it's to open up the BackBone. So there we go. How awesome is that? Looks like the background of the PlayStation app. 3 months free Discord Nitro. Okay. Man, this is cool. Hey, Call of Duty Mobile. So guys, this is pretty cool. I have to re-download it because I hated playing Call of Duty Mobile on my phone because I didn't like that weird controller, and then sometimes your finger wouldn't register, and it made me more angry than anything else. But now I can actually play Call of Duty Mobile because I have a controller. Hey, I'm actually kind of excited about this, guys. So one thing I wanted to show you guys is it does have pass-through, so you can charge your phone as you play. And you do actually have a 3.5 millimeter like aux cord headphone jack, so you'll be able to have a headset, play games, and charge your phone at the same time. Everyone's talking about like the Steam Deck and the AO and all the other stuff, and they're like $1,200. Well, my phone was $1,200, and I'm able to play PC games, I'm able to play PS5 games, and I'm able to play Xbox games on this, and all it cost me was $100. I'm good. Like, I'll see how it is. I wish I can get my hands on like a AO or a Steam Deck. I'm happy with this right now. I'm gonna look at still downloading Call of Duty. I'm pretty sure it's a pretty large app. What I'm gonna also have to do is download the PlayStation app for my PlayStation 5 and then do all the settings in there. I'll go with that with you guys as well in the next video. I'll show you how to set up this so you can play away from home using your PlayStation 5. As long as it's connected to the internet, you'll be fine, and I'll show you how to do that as well in the next video. And then we'll walk down to the school or whatever, drive down to a park, and then I'll show you that I'm able to access my PlayStation 5 through this and play. And another thing I want to do is try to stream to something with it and see if we can do it, or at least record it so we can upload it. So I think I'm gonna have a lot of fun with this. I really hope so. The remote play sounds cool. I got PC games I can play on this. This is like a home run to me. This is like a home run to me. So I'm happy so far. I'm happy that I went this route, actually. So let me know, guys, if this is something that you like to see more of. Maybe you want to see like a tutorial on how I actually play on this. I can try to screen record it and put it up in the next video. This video is already like at 25 minutes. I don't want to bore you guys any longer. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and I'll show you how I set that up in the next video, and it'll be within a few days. I'm not gonna, wait 5-6 days to upload. I'll finish this and then I'll record right after that, and we'll put it all together. So it'll be like I'll upload one day, and then like 2 days later I'll upload the other video or whatever. I don't know. Maybe I'll make a whole bunch of shorts over it. We'll see. It doesn't seem like it's too hard to set up. It's mostly just like following instructions, and just where to find it is the issue. And the only reason I know is because I researched it before I even bought this. I'll show you guys how to do that. Anyway, guys, thank you guys for joining me for this unboxing. Stay tuned for the actual like gameplay, the actual setting up, like setting it up to my PlayStation 5, and then even maybe like my PC, and see if I can get that going as well. I'm gonna let you guys know if I can use my AirPods Pro, my Beats, and then like actual gaming headset, and then I'll show you guys that it does pass through. And I'm even gonna try to use like a brick so we can be like mobile, So just have a little bit of fun with it. Anyway, guys, thank you guys for joining me. I'll talk to you guys soon, but I gotta go because my back hurts.
Order 66.